In this beginner's drones course, you will learn drone technology, build your own drone, program the way you want it to fly. Your curriculum includes, but not limited to, introduction to waves and oscillations, basic understanding about frequency, development of drones, kinematics and dynamics involved in flying a drone, design considerations, drone simulation, applications of drones, and a capstone project of your own invention. With a course design of 10 modules, 1 capstone project, 10 hours of synchronous learning, 13 hours of asynchronous learning, 10 hours of learning integration, 15 hours of activity, and 8 hours of research, summing up the course with 56 hours of learning within a course duration of 21 days. And obtain your certificate of completion from our esteemed educational partners.